Good morning, everyone. Ryan Vaughn here in my kitchen, if you will, just looking over a little bit of data. You know, for the past several days, we were showing you a map last week of an upper level low that was coming out of California and kind of moving through the Four Corners area and how it would be impacting our weather this week. Well, it looks like that is going to play out, and as that low gets closer to us, our rain chances are going up. You can see it here on this map. Now, what I have on this map is the green lines you see here. Those are called thickness lines, and it just simply points out where the upper level low is, which is right here, kind of sitting over Oklahoma and Texas. Now, I also have on here water vapor imagery, and I'll make it where you can see this a little better. And you can see this counterclockwise spin here. That is the upper level low that we've been tracking, kind of coming from California and then just kind of sliding in here. It took its sweet time, took a while. Now, there were some indications that it may slide a little farther to the south. We're still watching for that, but it is going to be close enough to us to where it is going to impact our weather. We're going to see higher rain chances today. If you tuned in with Justin this morning or Andrew last night, talked about how the rain chances would be a little higher today and also on Wednesday. That's because of that upper level low that you see here. Now, let me switch maps here, and this shows you what that low is going to do as we go through the next few days. So I'm going to kind of roll through this. We're going to start here at the beginning of it where it shows this low sitting around Amarillo. Now, these colors you see here, that's what we call vorticity, or a little bit of spin in the atmosphere. But I want you to focus on this part right here, which would be the upper level low. Notice as we head through time, it has this moving eastward and a little bit southeastward, but close enough to us where it is going to impact our weather and increase our rain chances. Now watch as it kind of sits there south of us. It just kind of sits there, but you notice how the green lines there, they kind of open up a little bit, and what we have is that upper level low is just going to kind of fizzle out right on top of us as a ridge starts to build in. Then we'll start seeing high pressure kind of building in across not only here but the entire southern plains. And then you see the ridge starting to build in even more back here to the southwest and kind of nudging in our direction. So what that means for us is a ridge builds in. That means that we'll see our rain chances go back down. And still, though, we're going to have to watch for a few little disturbances riding around that ridge that could give us a few isolated storms with rain chances 20 to 30% as we head into the weekend. So that's what we're going to be watching for. That right there is showing you into the weekend. And you see these little disturbances like right here could be just enough to spark off a few little isolated storms. But the big story here over the next little bit is going to be this upper level low right there, which is forecast to kind of go just to our south and kind of hang out there for just a little bit. But once again, there's a look at it right now. That's live imagery. You see the counterclockwise spin just to the east, southeast of Amarillo. If you look at the precipitation forecast, I'm going to kind of reposition this map here. And what we'll do is we'll start you out this morning, and notice this afternoon it shows a pretty good amount of precipitation from southwest Arkansas down to Louisiana and Texas. But we're close enough, as I said, to get some scattered showers and storms, and that's going to continue at least until Wednesday. Even this is Wednesday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, still showing a pretty good chance of rain. And even as we head into Thursday, we still see a few little isolated chances, but it goes down a little bit as we head into Friday. So that's what we're going to be watching, hoping that we don't get too much in the way of thunderstorms this evening. We're kicking off our backyard barbecue, which Yarnell's is sponsoring this year, and we're really looking forward to it. And we're going to be at someone's house here in Jonesboro tonight. We're just hoping that we don't have any thunder or lightning, so we don't have to go into someone's garage or something like that. But we'll keep you posted on if we're actually going to have the barbecue. As of right now, at 7:30 in the morning, it is on. So we'll continue to keep you posted. Everybody have a great Tuesday.